How to delete all recent photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the photos you want to delete from here. And then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Delete icon as shown. Tap on Delete Photos to confirm. Then, scroll down to the Utilities section. Here, go to Recently Deleted. You can view all the recently deleted photos over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Select the photos you want to permanently delete and then tap on the three dots below. And then, tap on Delete. Then, tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all recent photos on iPhone.